to a mesmerizing journey through Australia's 7 most beautiful cities, where stunning locations and breathtaking natural beauty come together to create unforgettable experiences. From the iconic landmarks of Sydney to the pristine beaches of the Gold Coast, each city offers a unique blend of urban sophistication and awe-inspiring landscapes. Join us and get ready to be enchanted by the diverse beauty that Australia has to offer. Let's begin our adventure. Number 7. Gold Coast. Located in Queensland, the Gold Coast is a renowned coastal city known for its golden sandy beaches, vibrant entertainment, and thriving surf culture. With its year-round warm climate and an abundance of sunshine, it's a paradise for beach lovers and outdoor enthusiasts. Surfers' Paradise is a bustling hub with high-rise buildings, exciting nightlife, and a long stretch of beautiful beach, the Gold Coast hinterland, just a short drive away, offers a stark contrast with its lush rainforests, cascading waterfalls, and breathtaking lookout points. Number 6. Canberra. Our next stop is nestled in the Australian Capital Territory. Canberra serves as the nation's capital and is renowned for its modern architecture, expansive parklands, and cultural institutions. The city's layout is carefully planned, with wide boulevards and numerous green spaces. The centerpiece of Canberra is Lake Burley-Griffin, a picturesque man-made lake where you can enjoy leisurely walks, cycling, or even kayaking. Number 5. Adelaide. Positioned on the southern coast of Australia, Adelaide is known for its laid-back charm and abundance of parklands. The city is surrounded by picturesque wine regions, including the famous Barossa Valley and McLaren Vale, where you can indulge in world-class wines while enjoying the scenic landscapes. Adelaide's beaches, such as Glenelg and Henley Beach, offer a perfect mix of sandy shores and crystal-clear waters, while the Adelaide Hills provide lush greenery and charming towns to explore. Number 4. Perth. Our next stop is located on Australia's western coast. Perth is renowned for its pristine beaches, clear blue skies, and stunning sunsets over the Indian Ocean. Kings Park and Botanic Garden, one of the world's largest inner-city parks, offers breathtaking views of the city skyline and the Swan River. Rottnest Island, a short ferry ride away, captivates visitors with its turquoise waters, sandy coves, and the adorable quokkas. a native marsupial species. Number 3. Brisbane. This beautiful city is nestled along the winding Brisbane River. This subtropical city in Queensland exudes a relaxed and outdoor-oriented lifestyle. With its year-round pleasant climate, Brisbane is adorned with beautiful parklands, including the South Bank Parklands, where you can stroll along riverfront promenades, relax on sandy beaches, and enjoy vibrant cultural events. Just a short drive away, you'll find the natural wonders of Moreton Island and the scenic Glasshouse Mountains, offering opportunities for snorkeling, hiking, and wildlife encounters. Number 2. Melbourne. Situated in the southeastern part of Australia, Melbourne is a cosmopolitan city that boasts a captivating blend of art, culture, and natural beauty. The city's picturesque parks, such as the Royal Botanic Gardens and Fitzroy Gardens, offer peaceful retreats amidst the bustling urban landscape. Melbourne is also known for its stunning coastline, including the scenic Great Ocean Road, which showcases dramatic cliffs, pristine beaches, and the famous 12 Apostles rock formations. Number 1. Sydney. Our last stop is located on the stunning east coast of Australia. Sydney is a vibrant and diverse city known for its iconic landmarks and breathtaking natural beauty. The city is set around one of the world's most beautiful harbors, with the famous Sydney Opera House and Sydney Harbour Bridge as its standout features. From the golden sandy beaches of Bondi and Manly to the lush Royal Botanic Garden and the coastal trails of the Sydney Coastal Walk, this city seamlessly blends urban sophistication with natural wonders. As our journey through Australia's most beautiful cities comes to an end, we hope you have been inspired by the incredible locations and natural wonders that make each city truly unique. Whether you seek adventure, relaxation, or cultural immersion, Australia offers a wealth of experiences that will leave you spellbound. So, pack your bags and embark on your own exploration of these remarkable destinations. Discover best places of Australia and create memories that will last a lifetime. Safe travels and farewell. Until we meet again on another grand adventure.